to Caddell Cuisine. I'm Chef Nadia Caddell, and I'm going to take you through how to make our lavender simple syrup. You can find the measurements and ingredients in our cookbook below on our Amazon link, and you can follow along as we walk through how to use this for cocktails, mocktails, or coffees. Let's get started. So I like to start off with getting all of my ingredients ready and in front of me, and you can follow along with the recipe with the amount of sugar that I have on there, or if you've looked at our chef's tips part, you can always double the sugar amount if you're wanting a thicker lavender syrup. It's completely up to you. If this is your first time, you can always start with the recipe I gave you and then go from there. The next thing I like to use is filtered water. I always feel like it makes a difference. If you've got filtered water, go ahead and use that, and then you can set your temperature at a low to medium low heat. Next, you're going to want to get your food grade quality dried lavender flowers. Food grade is super important, especially with this recipe, so you can always find the links to all of the different ingredients in our Amazon page as well. Then you're going to mix that in and incorporate it fully. Once that's done boiling for the 15 to 20 minutes and has a thick consistency, you can strain it and filter it just how I have here. I just put a funnel and a plastic squeeze bottle. I find that this really helps to making cocktails or lavender lattes. If you're doing our lavender lemon drop, that's a really good one too. Whatever it is that you're doing, it always helps to be able to label this and put this in the fridge so that you know how long you've had it and you can easily use it for that. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll check you out on the next video. Aloha!